Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've already erased the person's logo because it had a telephone number, and they had all the font correctly. It was just Arial font, and they needed to do this, and they couldn't figure out how to do it correctly. So we're going to go, this is just an Arial text. I'm going to go left click, right click, and then I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to convert it to a curve. Then I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to make sure they're aligned, and they are. Now, it doesn't really matter where you put these nodes, but if you'll look, they said they wanted it the same thickness. So this is a 1.03 inch. So I'm going to change my nudge distance to 1.03. I am going to take my shape tool and I'm going to add a node about right in there and about right in there. Then I'm going to add another node about right in there and about right in there. The placement doesn't really matter, and you'll understand why in just a second. So now we're going to select these two nodes, and I'm going to hit the left arrow key, moving them over. Now you can see they're not correct, but if we select them, we can go right in here to align and align horizontally. Watch this node right here. It didn't move because I kind of swept this way. We'll do it again. And then all you have to do is hit OK. That node does not move. Let's try sweeping it the other direction. Now watch the nodes. Well, it still took that node. A lot of times it's the last one selected. So let's back up here, and if we want this node to be our, let's put this one had them all selected. Let's put this node like pretty far down. So we've got a downhill slide. I'm going to shift select this one and this one. So I've got all three now, and watch this node not move, hopefully. And it brought those other two nodes up. Now we're a little bit off here, so we can select these and go align nodes vertically this time and align those. Now, I'm not saying I didn't move from that 0.03 by doing that. So I'm at 0.01. Very easily, well, I don't think I'm on the line. Let me start that over. Let's go parallel dimension tool from that node to that node. Yeah, we got 103, so that's what we're at. I was gonna say if it wasn't, let's say you really only wanted you only wanted 1 inch. Well, change your nudge distance to 0.03, grab these two nodes, select them, and move it over 0.03. Now, let's see if we don't have 1 inch. And we have 1 inch. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.